The internet loves a viral product, but how many of them have actually been worth the purchase? Well, I've got a few, and I think these are worth the money. So I'm gonna show you them and talk about it. The first thing I wanted to talk about was the Dyson Airwrap. When people say this is like the girl version of like when men buy a PS5, it really is. Not that they're in any way the same, but like the price point is the same. You know what I mean? Honestly, this has been worth like every penny. I bought mine. I've had mine about 4 years now and I use it all the time. I did a whole blow dry hair tutorial in like my last video. So if you want to check that out, then you can. Okay, next, most of these are going to be a mix of like beauty and fashion, but I've like one that's like non-beauty and fashion related. And it's a Stanley Cup. I know it's not really that viral anymore, but people went feral for these. Absolutely feral. It was insane. And I only have this one because I'm not crazy. Sorry, judging you. Honestly, this is it's been such a good water bottle to take like on holiday and things. We've been to volcanoes together. We've walked up massive muddy hills. We've done it all. We've really bonded. Okay. So yes, this has been worth the money. This is the Ice Flow though, not the Quencher, which I think this one is more worth it because it's actually functional. And then the next thing is, and I did talk about this in my Get Ready With Me, it's the Laura Mercier, the setting powder. I don't know why it took me so long to buy this. I have heard so many good things about this for years from people. And I finally bought it like a couple of months ago. And honestly, it's so good. Definitely worth it. I only bought like the little one, but I probably could have gone for the big one. So good. Doesn't crease. Lasts ages. Really finely milled as well. Like everything you want in a setting powder. I love it. I'm never going back to anything else. Next up is not really like one product. It's a whole brand and it's Skims. And before people roll their eyes, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth the price. I'm throwing it out there. I have bought a few tops from there now, and honestly, I wear all of them like all the time. I've got the white one on today. This is like my go-to white t-shirt. The fit, it is the fit. That is why it's worth it. I've never had tops that fit so nice and just so well, and it makes you it's flattering. They're good quality. Like you need good quality basics. That's a key. And I love Skims for that. So yes, I think worth it. In my opinion, yes. Next we have the Coach Tabby. I don't know what I'm holding at. This has been worth every penny. This is one of my go-to bags. It's classic. It's black, so it goes with everything. It's gold, which I love. And it was a great purchase. I wondered how much use I was going to get out of it, but honestly, it's been worth it. And also, I love that it has the short strap, which is what I've got on it now. And then you can long strap it and wear it crossbody. So you can wear it in multiple ways. It's versatile. The only thing I will say about this is when you put things in it, it is narrow. Like it is quite a narrow. I've got stuff with some tissue paper at the minute. It is quite narrow. That's the only thing. So this is definitely for like light packing days, not when you're taking like a ton of stuff around. I just think it looks so chic. Like I think this is so chic. Next I've got another bag, which is this. This is the Longchamp, the pouch, and I bought it in black. And I think this is maybe like my most used bag over the last few months. If I'm going anywhere, like if I'm going on holiday, going away for the weekend, whatever, this is the bag I'm taking. Like this is the bag I'm taking with me. Do you know what? For a small bag, you can actually fit a lot of stuff in this. I managed to fit my phone, keys, lip products, card holder. I had a camcorder in here. I had hand sanitizer. I had everything in here. And it goes with everything. And I just think it's such a classic. Like I'll have this for years. And then I also have the big sister to that bag, which is the Longchamp large tote. I bought this when I was on holiday and I've used it so much. I've got so much use out of this. And also every time I go out, and when I'm wearing this, even when I'm not wearing this, everyone has this bag right now. Like everybody has either in this color or one of the other colors. And it's so worth it because it's so big. So you can fit a ton of stuff in there. You can fit your laptop in here. You can fit a water bottle, loads of stuff. It's great for travel. You can use it as a work bag. You could use it for if you just want a big bag that you can just throw everything in. And also it folds down, which makes it great for travel. So you could take this on holiday with you as your holiday bag and then fold it down, take out the suitcase, chuck everything in it. I used it all the time when I was on holiday because I like to carry, a lot of stuff. Usually I've got like multiple cameras on me and whatnot. So this came in very handy. And then lastly, these are everywhere. These are everywhere during the summer and for good reason. They smell amazing. Like these smell like summer to me. This is the Sol de Janeiro. It's the 62 perfume mist. And I've got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is in the same scent. And these smell like summer. They smell amazing. Like this is all I want to smell of in the summer months. And if you lay the two together, it lasts even longer. And so in my opinion, yes, these are definitely worth the price because they smell so good. They smell so good. And so that is everything I wanted to talk about today. There's only a few because, to be honest, I don't tend to get sucked into buying viral products a lot, but these ones that I did have been worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know what you've tried that's been worth it. And also I really want to know like what you've tried that definitely wasn't worth it, because I think that's really interesting as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you want, only if you want. And I'll see you next week. Bye.